Hello there, lovely people. What's up? And how you all are doing? So, this is KP Styles, and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I would be sharing top 10 amazing and the best makeup products you can own, and that also under 200 rupees. Yes. So, if you want to know what are all these products, so please keep on watching. And before going into the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get rolling. So the first thing I would be starting with is skincare. So in skincare, I'm not sharing like a lot of products, only a few one, and that also from Good Vibes. So the first thing which comes is Good Vibes toner. Okay, so I am in love with Good Vibes toner. The two I am having is the first one is this Rose Glow Toner, and the second one is this Cucumber Glow Toner. I only have tried these two from the complete range, and I think these ones are my second or third bottles. I have emptied 2 bottles and I am in love with these toners, and especially this cucumber one, because I have acne prone skin, and as you all know, cucumber is so good for acne. It soothes your skin, it gives you a very refreshing look, and especially in this such a humid weather, whenever you are like feeling oily, sweaty, just grab your toner, spray all over your face and you are good to go. It gives you a very mild, refreshing fragrance, and it's really good. Like when you apply it, you will instantly feel that within kind of glow in your skin. So I am in love with these two toners. So the second product I'm going to talk about is also from Good Vibes, because I feel like Good Vibes has such an amazing skincare range, but I only know about their skincare range and I love them. So second are the serums. So one I am having right here is the Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum, and the second serum I am having here is NY Bay Skinfident Glowing as Broadway Queen. Okay, so talking about this Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum, like I have heard tons of people talking about this on their YouTube channel, vlogs, blogs, everywhere. Like this thing was queen of all the serums on YouTube. So I thought let's give it a try. So when I ordered this, I used it for 1 month, and I am telling you guys, this thing is so amazing. Like all the YouTubers have said that this gives you glowing skin and very radiant and within kind of glow like this thing provides you. But when I used it, it do gives you glow, no doubt in there. But that fair and glowing and radiant skin, I think changing your skin color is not possible. That is my perception. I don't feel like you can change your skin color. This gives you glow, and it is amazing serum. Again, this one is my like third or fourth one. It's the small one. You also get a larger bottle in this serum. So like this serum is a must have. If you have like dull skin or you want some glow on your skin, you should give this thing a try. So the second serum I have here is NY Bay Skinfident. So it has vitamin C and vitamin B3. So vitamin C and vitamin B3 like helps you in reducing all your spots, pigmentation. So I don't think so it has reduced any spots or pigmentation of mine, but I like using it because it helps me in controlling my acne. Like when I start using it, I felt like my acne are not growing back, because I have severe acne problem, I'm telling you guys. And this thing really helped me, that it helps balancing your acne, that it doesn't grow further. So I like this serum as well, and these two are like my ultimate favorite. Now moving on to the makeup section. The first thing I have here is this NY Bay makeup primer. So its price is like 213, but you will always get it in some offer, or under 200 you will get it. Okay, so this particular primer, it says that it blends like a dream, hydrating in nature, lightweight formula, minimize pores, smoothen skin, perfect base to a flawless look. And I agree with that. All the things which are written on this fulfill all of those. Okay, when you apply this primer on your face, it feels so smooth. जब आप अपना हाथ face पे ऐसे फेरोगे ना, it feels so smooth, like buttery smooth skin, like there is no such thing like buttery smooth skin, but it actually feels like that. So I am honestly in love with this primer, and it's also under budget. If you are a beginner, you don't need any end makeup primer. You can just go for this. It is an amazing primer and I highly recommend this. Fourth thing is, I think every teenage girl must be having this. Not even teenage, not even grown up, like everybody would be having this product. So this is the Pond's White Beauty BB Cream, and my shade in it is 01 Original. So the bigger packaging also comes in 145 rupees. That is super affordable. First, if we talk about its pigmentation, bomb pigmentation. It gives you like sheer to medium coverage. You can also build it up, but on a daily basis I don't think so you need extra full coverage for a BB cream. The coverage it gives is quite decent, and I think it also is available in one more shade which is a little bit darker than this one. So people who are having like a darker skin tone, they can use it. So color wise, shade wise and pigmentation wise, this thing is so good. And even people who are having oily skin, they can use it as well, because the biggest problem with people who are having oily skin is that they do not find a perfect BB cream for their skin, because some BB creams makes your skin really oily, and we can't use oily BB creams. So this is the thing, you can 100% use this. It is an amazing foundation. Like, you get number of foundations under 200 rupees, but the one which I have found the best is this Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. So this is the mini tube, and my shade in it is 02, that is beige vanilla. So its price is like 150 rupees. The smaller tube has this price 150 rupees. So talking about this particular foundation, first thing you will say that it is such a tiny tube, it will finish like this, but no, trust me, it has like decent amount of product in it. Okay, so it is not going to finish like really soon or something. So this particular foundation has a mousse consistency. Now if you'll ask me that what is a mousse foundation, I'll tell you. Like, when you take the product on your hand, wait, can you see this thing? It's like it's transferring on my hand, and when you will blend this, it get absorbed in your skin. It gives you such a natural finish, I tell you. But it has like a sheer to medium coverage, but you can also build it up, every time you can build anything up. You can apply one more layer and you're good to go. Okay, so this foundation is a perfect foundation. If you are a beginner, you want to try something lightweight, the best thing about this foundation is that it's lightweight. Some foundations are so heavy on your skin, and in summers especially, you feel like, oh, itna sara bhar face pe. So it does not makes you feel like that. So it's an amazing foundation. You should give it a try. Next, I'll talk about the compacts. Obviously, it's summer and you need to set your face, otherwise all of your makeup is going to melt off and you are going to look like a ghost in front of everybody. Okay, so the two compacts which I am having with me right now, the one is Maybelline New York, the white super fresh, everybody's favorite. Okay, and the second one is Lakme Sun Expert 40 SPF plus ultra matte compact, and it gives you non-sticky sun protection. So these two compacts I am having with me right now. I am in love with these two. Okay, I just recently bought this one. It says that it has 40 SPF and that is true. Like, it provides you sun protection and it is really amazing. The pigmentation of this compact is pretty good. Let me just show you. Just take a look. Can you see? And it's again so buttery smooth. It blends like a dream. Second one is Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact. Like, I think everybody would be having this, like of my age or a little bit bigger than me. So the price of the Lakme one was 200 something around, like you get it under 200. This one retails for price 145 or 136 or something. Yeah, so both are under 200 and both are amazing compacts thing. Okay, so talking about the next thing, it's really difficult to get a nice makeup primer or makeup base under 200 rupees, and that also a makeup illuminator. OMG, that is so difficult. But I have something here for you. The thing I am having is this Swiss Beauty Illuminator makeup base. Just look at its packaging, it's so cute. This peachy nude, kind of packaging it has, and here comes our product. The product is quite cute. Okay, so my shade in it is 01 Golden Pink. There is 02 as well, which is Silver Pink, I think, but I thought of going with the Golden Pink. It's so amazing. You must have seen me in a lot of videos using this particular product. So it works as a makeup base. I will not say makeup primer, completely makeup primer, but as a makeup base. You can use it under your foundation. You can mix it with your foundation for having a within kind of glow. Let me just show you its coverage. I'm only taking this much product, okay, and just look at its shine. See, it's so good. It's looking like you are having a natural within kind of glow. I totally love this. Like, look at that glow, man. It's so good, so good. So I completely love this product. Like, I saw this particular product, Shy Styles, you must have seen her channel. She was using this product and she recommended it. The next day I bought this and I am completely in love with this product. If you do not want to do any makeup on your face, you are really in a hurry, just apply this. It really looks like your skin is glowing naturally. You don't need to set it with any compact because it get absorbed in your skin, and just look at it. It does not feel like you have applied something. It does not have these chunky particles. It's so smooth and so good. You should definitely buy this product. Okay, so the next product is the star of this complete video. So you have seen a lot of people who will not recommend this, but me being me, I'll recommend you this. So I am having this Blue Heaven Rogue blush, and my shade in it is 5. So I have used this particular blush in a makeup video of mine, which I have which video was it? I was doing a makeup challenge under 50 rupees and I bought this blush for that purpose. Its price was like 25 or 30 rupees, that's it. No, I think it was makeup under 30 rupees. Yeah. So when I bought this blush, I had no expectations. Honestly, I had no expectations. Look at it. It looks like, we should not say that, but it looks like very cheap quality, and it doesn't look nice at all. Let me show you its color. So bright pink, and doesn't even give you the same color on the cheeks. But let me show you something. Can you see that? Just look at its pigmentation, and when you apply it on your cheeks, like I am telling you, let me just show you apply, like very little amount, and can you see that मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लिया. Just look at that, man. How can a blush retailing price rupees 30 can give you so much pigmentation? Wait, I have to set it. Like, I honestly love this blush. You have seen its pigmentation. It's so good, and I think if you are a beginner, you don't want to spend too much money on a blush, you can go for this one. Or if you want something in really affordable, you should have this one. At least give it a try, because I totally love this product. You have seen its pigmentation. It's so pigmented. Like, I honestly love this product. I have used so many blushes, but this one, like, for the price, amazing, guys. You should definitely give it a try. So next we will talk about eyeliners. Okay, my cheek is looking, it has been punched by someone. It's looking so bad. Wait. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, so the next thing is eyeliners. I am having these 3 eyeliners from Stay Quirky. These are the Stay Quirky badass eyeliners. Like, its name is so cool. Okay, so it retails for price I think 166 or 170 rupees. So I am having 3 colors in this: black, white and blue. I will show you the swatch of every eyeliner. This is the black one. This is a single line. Can you see that? The pigmentation, OMG. The next one is this blue eyeliner. Just look at its pigmentation, man. Oh my god. And the last one is white or silver. Oops, wait. I don't know it's white or silver. अब तो ये स्वॉचेस देख के आपको फटाफट जाके इसको ले लेना चाहिए बिना कुछ सुने. So I just love these eyeliners. These are waterproof. They stays for like good 6 to 7 hours. Not good 6 to 7 hours. Let me tell you something. Like जब मैं कॉलेज जाती थी मैं इसको लगा के जाती थी. ओके, आई एम नॉट ए रियली आई लाइनर पर्सन. लाइक मैं पहले स्कूल टाइम में बहुत आई लाइनर लगाती थी, बट कॉलेज में आके आई रिड्यूस अप्लाइंग आई लाइनर. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट टेक्स so much time to apply eyeliner and then you get late for your bus. Okay, so जब मैं इसको लगा के जाती थी, घर आके अगर मैं मुंह ना धो ना, अगले दिन जब मैं उठती थी सुबह, ये तब तक रहता था eyeliner. And I have recommended a friend of mine as well and she loved it too. Like, this is such an amazing eyeliner, man. It does not even, you know, wait, ये वाला सूख गया ऊपर वाला, ये देखो. You should buy this. You should definitely buy this. And for the price, I think, like, people say that you get really less quantity, but it's quite pigmented, man. You don't need a lot of quantity. Okay, so अगर इतनी ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेशन आपको मिल रही है तो इतना सारा लगाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. एक स्वाइप में you can do your complete liner, the whole eyeliner. So you should definitely go for these ones. And there are a lot of colors available in this, like green or rusty, copper, silver, golden. They have tons of colors, so you should definitely go for this one. And you can buy this from purple.com. So talking about the last thing, I am not having it with me right now, is a Swiss Beauty concealer. I will, you know, place a picture here. This concealer, what should I tell you? It retails for price something I don't remember its price, but it was for something 150 or 160. So I have emptied the whole thing and I need to reorder it, and I will reorder it. Like, I have used a lot of concealer, LA Girl concealer, Maybelline concealer, okay, and that Swiss Beauty one, it's so much cheaper price than these Maybelline and LA Girl one. But if I talk about the pigmentation, the coverage, OMG, that is so good. Like, भी high end brand के, you know, concealer को टक्कर दे सकता है ये. It gives so nice coverage. Like, अगर आप इसको apply करते हैं ना, your dark circles will like एकदम गायब. It's so good. And price के according, you get like I think 5 shades in it. I don't remember like correctly. My shade in it was 02, and as soon as I will order it, I will share it with you guys for sure. So that is it, guys. This was my top 10 best makeup and skincare products that everybody should have, and it was a part 1. If you want a part 2, I will make that for sure. I will love to make that. So do let me know in the comment section you want a part 2 of this video or not. If you will want, I'll make it, and if you don't, okay, I will still make it. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.